3, 4. And my daddy worked on the railroad. He spent a lot of time away from home, but most of the time he was there with us. He was sleeping so he could get back on the road. He was sleeping so he could get back on the road. He had been raised by his parents. They always took a no-nonsense approach. So when I came along, he was confused, and my mother did not help at all. Oh, mother did not help at all. She thought me and my brother were prized possessions, and she spent most of her free time with us. Seems we could do no wrong in her eyes. It was Daddy he never realized. It was something Daddy never realized. My grandpa had been the town doctor. He made house calls on a horse and buggy. My grandma taught Spanish at the junior college. She's from a no-nonsense Delta family. She's from a no-nonsense Delta family. So there was always friction in our household. It usually came down to our discipline. Daddy wanted that hard line approach. My mother was a having none of that. No, mother was a having none of that. She says, Tom, don't treat them so roughly. We don't live like your mother and dad. This is a new day and time for raising children. They're just little boys. They aren't bad. They're just little boys. They aren't bad. As I'm growing older now, I wonder which one of them was correct. Thinking back, I thought we had an ideal childhood. Looking back, everything seemed good. Looking back, everything seemed good. And my daddy worked on the railroad. He spent a lot of time away from home. Most of the time he was there with us. He was sleeping so he could get back on the road. He was sleeping so he could get back on the road. Yes, my daddy was a railroad man. Daddy was a railroad man.